Happy Frugal Friday, K-Squad. If you think saving money is not fun, try making it a game. Here are 5 ways to turn saving money into a game that you'll win. Number 1 is do a use it up challenge. During the Great Depression, there was a motto that you might have heard before. Use it up, wear it out, make it do, or do without. It was coined by the War Advertising Council during World War II to promote 2 needs. 1, to conserve scarce resources, and 2, to help keep prices down by not generating excess demand. The average American family lived by this motto. Women's magazines and radio shows taught Depression-era homemakers how to stretch their food budget with casseroles and one-pot meals. We learned a lot from that era, and here we are, now still finding ways to stretch our meals and save money because conserving is important. Sometimes the classic lessons are classic for a reason. Challenge yourself to use up all your food and all your toiletries before buying more. See how long you can go on what you already have before you go out and make more purchases. Number 2, make a keeper board. In other words, keep score. We learned a long time ago the phrase, finders keepers, losers weepers. This still resonates with me because when I find money, I'm thrilled if I get to keep it. And when I lose money, I might still weep. In addition to tracking how much you spend, which you know I'm a big fan of, track how much you save. Just like my Christmas spreadsheet. You guys know about that, right? I track what the retail price was, what it was on sale for, and then what I actually paid for it. Kate price, considering coupons, gift cards, or whatever savings tool I use to get that price down. Yeah, I'm extra. It's just who I am. So if you choose generic brand over name brand and you save like $5 on laundry detergent, let's say, write it down. You walk to the store instead of using up gas to get there. Estimate how much that saved you and write it down. Now, none of this, I was gonna buy a new Roadster Tesla, so that saved me, what, $200,000? Nah. Keep it real, K-Squad. Pointing out these ways that you're making an effort to save will be very revealing. Enjoy the pileup of cash by making wise choices. Number 3, utilize your apps, K-Squad. They are sitting there just waiting for you to save if you pay them just even a little attention. So many of you come back to me months after I talk about these apps and you say, Kate, I should have done this the first time you talked about it, but I just kept forgetting. Well, here is your quarterly reminder. These cashback apps, they're not going to make you rich, but it's like great icing on a cake. I love to save these up and then use those reward points for gifts down the line. So some of my gifting won't cost me anything or much less than if I didn't do the apps. Utilize the apps. Make it a game. See if you can commit to using them each week for like 3 months and just see how much you can save. Like I said, make it a game. And you don't have to use those results for gifts. Maybe you have something that you personally are saving up for. Maybe something you really need. So you'll get like an Amazon gift card as your reward and you can put it towards that. My Fetch, Receipt Hog, and Rakuten links are in the description down below if you want to sign up through me to get started and never again regret not using the apps. Number 4, how low can you go? Grocery challenge. I love the videos that YouTubers do when they go into a store with a set amount of money and they see if they can get a week's worth of food for like $30. I've seen this from some of my faves. Nate O'Brien did this video. I've seen our girl Prepper Princess do this, and I love seeing what they come up with. I've thought about doing one myself, but I haven't gotten around to it. These creators were each just shopping for themselves only. I wonder if I do it, should I do it for myself only? Or would it be better if I did it for me and Kaden? I still don't know exactly which way I would want to do it. I'm gonna let that marinate. Let me know in the comments which one you'd prefer, for me and Kaden or just me alone. I'll leave an example of one of Prepper Princess's videos in my description for you to check out if you want to try it. And shout out to Prepper Princess. If you aren't already watching her channel, head over to Prepper Princess, hit subscribe. I just adore her. Tell her I said hello. Another option is, of course, you don't have to go so extreme. If you think $30 is too tight, don't go that extreme, but consider lowering your budget in some way to gamify your savings. See how low you can go within reason. How low can you go? Can you go down low? Number 5, create your $0 budget entertainment list. Think about what you can do for entertainment that is completely and utterly free or costs very, very little. Write out the longest list you can possibly make and see how many ideas you can come up with. Can you come up with 5 ideas? Can you come up with 10 ideas? Can you come up with 50 ideas? How about 100? Write as many as you can and then try and do them. Instead of busting your budget on the pricey events and expensive things, hit up this list, almost like a budget bucket list, and enjoy these things over the next few weeks or months instead of whipping out your wallet. And since I like to over-deliver, here are 2 bonus ideas. You could make savings a game by challenging yourself to a no-spend weekend. I just did a video on this for you, so watch that for the inspiration you need if you are interested. And lastly, if you really want a challenge, commit to a no-spend month and extend that no-spend weekend for 30 days like we do in No Spend January. I will leave some videos for you on these topics for you to watch next. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't yet, like, share, and ring that bell if you like this kind of content so you never miss a video. And now my favorite part, comment below how you make saving money a game. Thanks for watching, KSQUAD. See you in the next video. Bye, guys.